Let's see how to create a perfect background wash. Let's choose the right brush. A big round brush or a flat brush as shown should be used for larger surfaces. Let's rectify the second mistake and make sufficient paint on the palette. Now that we have avoided the mistakes discussed in the earlier video, let's see the techniques. In this video, let's see the wet on dry technique. Here, we directly apply the paint on the dry paper. Start from the top. Hold the paper at a slight angle, which helps the color to flow downwards and thus allows the excess water to accumulate and forms an edge. Reload the brush with more paint at the next stroke and overlap the earlier stroke as we move downwards. Here, it is important to have excess color at the edge of each stroke for the colors to blend uniformly as shown. See how uniform the wash looks. In the next video, we will go over the wet in wet wash technique.